What are some IT considerations for an office move? Hey everyone, Alex Moen here with today's BizTech tips. And right now, lots of businesses are planning on getting people back in the office. And for lots of people, this might even mean switching office environments. So, what are some things from an IT perspective that you should be considering? First, really plan in advance. So, have a map of your new location. Consider everything from Ethernet jacks to plug locations. Will your new wiring get everything done? Will you perhaps need a Wi-Fi extender or other hardware that's necessary there? One thing too, you actually want to ensure your internet is set up ideally weeks in advance. Sometimes ISPs they get behind or swear that they flipped the switch, but people end up without internet for extended periods of time. So go ahead and poke them plenty of times until they have it ready in advance. Also, plan your computer, server, printer, and desk configurations beforehand. Use that on the map so you know where everything's going. Confirm new phone compatibility as well. And then there are just lots of different odds and ends, right? So set up your backup right beforehand. Look at new conference room media connections if applicable, because maybe they have different jacks or things like that. Plan on perhaps having to redo, reconfigure routers and other networking items, or maybe even upgrading things, or again, just things like Wi-Fi strength, where the people are and the densities of where they are, like how many devices in which areas will need to get Wi-Fi and where the walls are and different things interfering can throw that all off. And then right before the move, really plan with the moving company. So plan on labeling all the items and knowing which items go in which boxes. So you can keep things together whenever possible. So maybe one box per user, for instance, and it just gets dropped off on the desk. Then when the move day actually happens, of course, again, make sure you have the backup beforehand just in case anything happens. But when you're at the new location, set up the server and networking gear first. Configure everything with the new ISP, so the router and everything else there. Then test the computers and the printers. It's also a good idea to verify the primary applications and the phones and the emails are working and flowing and all that too. And then just allow for a little bit of extra time to troubleshoot at the end. Hopefully that helps and will make your office move a little bit smoother. Let me know down below if you have any questions and have a good one.